All right, guys, this is the last house. Why don't you guys go knock on that door?
Go, go, go! Whoa, this house is huge. They probably give out full-size chocolate bars.
Trick or treat. Don't be shy. Take one.
Ew, she's a realtor. My dad told me not to talk to realtors.
I'm your realtor now. Don't forget, open house this weekend. Bring your pre-approvals.
You've been up late every night since you got this listing. Are you okay, babe?
I don't know, babe. This house, it just feels cursed.
Cursed? You mean like bad luck or...
No, something just feels off. Like every time there's somebody interested in the house, they just disappear. When I host my open houses, the signs are gone. Nobody shows up. I hear weird noises throughout the house and I have to make up lies. Like, I don't know what's going on.
You're just stressed. It's a $5.7 million home in Vancouver West. That's a lot of pressure.
I've handled stress before. Like, I've sold luxury listings. I've even sold a lot of homes. There's nothing different other than that it was listed before with this one realtor. Just a weird guy. Like, I Googled him. I just feel like he's never really let go of the listing.
Maybe it's just in your head, babe.
I don't think so. I've got a busy day tomorrow. I have a call booked with an online lead about the house. I got an open house from 2 to 4 and a private showing right after. Like, I don't know. If this doesn't sell, I'm gonna lose my mind.
I'm gonna take this listing.
Hey Ada, this is Amraj Dillon with Doma Group and eXp Realty. Just giving you a quick courtesy call regarding your inquiry about 2069 West 28th Avenue. How are you doing today?
Oh, hi. Yeah, I've been looking for a home in this area here, and this seems like a perfect fit for my family.
It really is. It has 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and over 4,300 square feet of living space. Ada, I can really imagine your family using the ample space in the chef's kitchen and walk kitchen, as well as hosting amazing events in the theater room. And did I tell you it has a sauna as well? And it's close to so many parks. I can truly see your family walking over.
That sounds amazing. We have 2 little ones and we love spending time outdoors.
I totally agree with you. You know, this home is close to so many amenities like our Beautist Club. You know, you have amazing trails here, great access to transit. The commute to UBC is so quick for your kids as well. And hey, there's amazing elementary schools here too for your little one.
Wow, that actually sounds perfect for us.
It's not for you, Ling Ling.
Excuse me?
I said you'd love the Fing Fing.
Okay, so what's the neighborhood like?
Ada, I'd love for you to tour the neighborhood and this home. We're on a tree-lined street. It's super quiet. All the neighbors are amazing. And hey, Halloween's right around the corner. I know all the neighbors give out full-size chocolate bars as well.
I know your credit score.
Excuse me? What are you talking about?
Oh my God, so sorry. I think that was my network connection. Anyways, what I was trying to say is that this property has an amazing kitchen. It's got granite countertops and ample storage. And did I mention the walk kitchen? Amazing for cooking.
Cooking dogs. I know you have a dog. The last owner had one too, before I ate him.
Sorry, I meant to say that, you know, there's a spacious dining room, and I know so many of the homeowners around here have pets as well. It's a great, safe neighborhood.
Ask her if she wants her forever home, because you're gonna die in this home.
What the f? I think I'm done here.
What the just happened?
She wasn't pre-approved anyways.
Welcome to our open house. Come on in. So nice to meet you, Amraj.
Yo, this home is sick. Where's your theater?
Right this way. And the theater is just to your left here. This is your full AV setup. Great acoustics, surround sound system. You look like a guy that watches the NBA. Great for your evening games.
Yo, this is sick. I love this. I can see myself hosting the whole crew here.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
Oh, this is one of the features of the home theater. What's up? What's up?
Bro, this is sick. I'm serious. I'm ready to put our offer in right now. What the?
Can you hear that? I'm so sorry. Let me turn that off. Who turned that on? This isn't working. Maybe it's there.
Oh, come on, man. How much you weigh?
No? Ghosted again? Every time! Esther, I know you mentioned you had a really big family. You're gonna really appreciate the 4 bedrooms up here. Okay. So we have bedroom number 2 right here. Very, very spacious.
Did you hear that?
Oh, it's the smoke alarms. We forgot to change the batteries. I'm so sorry. Anyways, don't worry, don't worry. This is the 3rd bedroom here, and you'll notice there's another ensuite.
Oh, beautiful. Do all the bedrooms have en-suites?
You're absolutely right, and you can envision your king-size bed right here.
I feel like I hear something.
Oh, that's just the HVAC, you know, it's October, it's just the maintenance. Check out that walk kitchen, like it was beautiful, right?
Yeah, I love it, I love it.
And you've got so much storage, you'll never run out of storage.
Yes, I love that. We have so much stuff to store, and you know, this Korean food can smell a little bit, so it's great that
And you got a great chef's kitchen to make all that food.
What was that?
Oh, that's just a smoke alarm, so sorry.
Are you sure? That doesn't sound like a smoke alarm.
Trust me, it's a smoke alarm.
Okay.
Esther, I love this home. What were your favorite features?
Yeah, I love it too. I love that there's a sauna downstairs. I'm probably gonna use it every day. My kids can walk to our Beautist Club right across the street. I love that there's an ensuite for most of the bedrooms, and I think I gotta talk to my family, but pretty sure we're gonna put in an offer.
Ready to put in an offer?
Oh my God, that was my last chance today. Every single lead.
Nice showing, champ.
You're him. You're the old listing agent.
Guilty. I couldn't leave this house. It's personal.
You weirdo, you've been haunting all my open houses. You've been messing up all my showings. What the hell?
Not haunting, branding. There's a big difference. I want what's mine.
What do you want? Chopsticks?
No.
Leopard thong?
No.
Drizzy Drake's newest album?
Hell no. I want the listing.
What do you say then? Co-list?
50-50?
50-50.
Cooking dogs. I know you have a dog. The last owner had one too, before I ate him.
Oh, don't worry.
I'm so confused what I'm doing now. Yeah, I love that there's a sauna downstairs. I use it every day after yoga. Okay, sorry, can I hear you do that? Sorry, I don't know why I said yoga.
Wow.
Okay.
And then you got to
They probably give out full-size chocolate bars.
She wasn't pre-approved anyway.
तिलक न हुनर